Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do a Black Business Spotlight and a Unity moment. Okay, the first thing I'm talk about is a Black Business Spotlight. I ordered this right here. It's Lockology. I ordered this I think in January. And it's from a company called Lockology. All natural and organic. I got the peppermint tree tea lock shampoo. So I just washed my hair with it. And while I'm talking to y'all about it, I'm going to use this peppermint green tea. Promote growth and reduce itching, which I don't need growth. I just needed some type of oil. I do have itching sometimes. So what do I think about this product? For one, if you look at my hair, my locks, mainly a lot of them don't form together, but it looks clean. Since I done had locks, I have really, I've been noticing, I've been noticing the last, I say about 2-3 years of like real dry skin. I mean dry scalp and face skin for some reason. I think, well, I started seeing a dry skin because I was combination skin, oily and dry, but more oily. But as I got like older, I have noticed. Let me see what it smell like. No, it smell like kind of smell like the shampoo. I have noticed that my skin get really dry, so I put this. This ain't got nothing to do with black business, but been putting this and just shea butter on my face. I like to use SD Lauder products on my face. Not all of them, probably like 2 products, just the moisturizer and the serum. That's like the commercial brand stuff I like to use on my face. But I've been noticing that I have really dry scalp in the last few years. And I know some people with locks will say one of the main reasons why they cut, because the locks, something breaking their face out, you know, the oils that you use in your hair and they get on your face. Because me, I could use a little bit of coconut oil. Can't really put coconut on my face, but if it's a product, this feels soothing. If it's a product that have coconut oil, just a little coconut oil in it, it's good. It won't break me out. But if I remember I was putting, like, when I wear a little makeup every now and then, I put the coconut oil on my face to get the makeup off, and my face just start breaking out really just start clogging up everything. So I stopped using that. I don't use pure coconut. But the crazy part, I like it on my hair, but I don't even really put it on my hair unless it's in a product I use that has a little bit and it don't bother me. But coconut oil will break me out. Pure coconut, just on my face, not on my legs, just on my face. So what do I think about this product? I like it. At first, when I was using this right here, I was like, why is not lathering up? But it's lathering now. I think I shook the bottle up. I didn't even use that much. I usually use a lot of shampoo when I'm washing my hair. I really like it. It feels light. It'll tell you some of the things it got. It got water, sunflower oil. I could smell the sunflower oil because I used to do oil pulling with sunflower oil. It got coconut oil in it, which I gotta see if it's gonna break me out. But I don't usually, when it's a little bit in something, it don't mess with me. It got potassium, palm kernel. I could smell that palm oil. I could smell that. And it got some essential oils in here, some peppermint oil tea, and the tea tree, which is good for like if you got like some type of scalp problem, tea tree good for that. So, and then I like the black lady. Y'all see the black lady right there? On there? That's dope. She like a warrior. And look at her locks. That's dope. I wonder if they got some shirts with her on there. But I'm gonna give y'all all the information. Yeah, my hair feel clean. The only thing that when I wash my hair, what I don't like about when I wash it, it takes a while to dry. And I try to wash it twice a month, but that don't work. So I'm washing it once a month. But my little curls. Yeah, so I washed it. It smell really clean. I like it. I don't like too much stuff that have like strong smells. So I really like it. I use about that much. This was brand new. So I'm real heavy with the oil. We gonna see. I know it feels refreshing. It's my scalp, man. Make sure I get it around here. Around here. Feel really good. So I like this product. At first, I ain't gonna lie, when I was washing my hair, I was like, I don't know if I like stuff with a lather, and it wasn't giving me the lather I wanted, but then eventually it did. It's really light, and my hair do feel really clean. Y'all see my scalp? Let me show you. It feels clean. I don't have a lot of parts. I got some gray hair up in there, but it feels really clean. Yeah, really clean. I like it. I'll get it again. It kind of, what I like, it was the shampoo I like from Sun Foods, and they discontinued it with their company and sold it to another company. I liked it that it was made out of, it was like a vegan shampoo. I really like that. I done washed my hair with this right here before. This not black owned, but I don't know, it was a little drying, but I got this to wash my face with. What else? Jane Carter. The sister Asha Mandela, her product, her shampoo, I liked her shampoo. So it's not a lot of shampoos. Oh, and I like Trader Joe's. I haven't used it in a while, but I like their tea tree shampoo. I'm like a big tea tree shampoo person. So, yeah, so my hair looks good. Maybe I might curl it. But the thing about having real long locks, if you don't dry this completely, when I tell you, it will sour. So I'm gonna have to sit up under the dryer and make sure it's dry. My hair hasn't soured in years, but I remember when it was about right here, I was like, what is that smell? That smell, my damn locks. I had to get some vinegar and baking soda to get that. Ooh, it had soured. So, yep, this it, y'all. So, let me just say this real quick. So, how about old Dan Gatsby done got him a reality show from Boabw. Popped up in my screen. I guess all these videos everybody doing about it. The Boabw people at Boabw was like, you know what? Let me get him a show of coon ass. And you know they gonna make that shit fake. Yeah, but anyway. And don't y'all know I read somewhere that he was trying to get B. Smith on the Aunt Your Mammy box. Aunt Your Mama box. My thing is, won't you make her own it was a couple of years ago I read that. But why would you, B. Smith wouldn't want to be on no Aunt Your Mama box. Wouldn't you? I don't know about that. That just don't feel right. Why would you put her on that and she real? Aunt Your Mama was a fake character. Black character, just like Uncle Ben's, and I think the Cream of Wheat Man was real. But still, if you want her to make some pancake mix, won't you just imitation of life? The white woman stole the black woman. The white woman got rich on the black woman. Pancake secret. And the only thing the black woman wanted was love. But anyway, he could have just created her something with her own name on it. Why it got to be an Aunt Your Mom and Mammy? Why he want to make her a damn mammy? But anyway, fuck Dan Gatsby. I hope he don't be successful. But anyway, that's all I want to talk about. So y'all check out these products. I like them. I like them. Black on. Y'all check out these products. And I should have turned my screen the other way, but I wanted y'all just to see how long my locks done got. They really, really long. Try to stand back. They way down here. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good day. Salam, salam.